This is a complex fraction because you have fractions within fractions. So let's go to the most complex part, or would be here, and let's start there by simplifying. So that's 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2. Now I'm going to take this one fraction and pull it out on the side of my paper and show you how this works. You could either get a common denominator and combine the 3 and the negative 1/2, but I think what I'm going to do is just look, what makes this complex is this 2, and the least common denominator for 2 is just a 2. So let's multiply top and bottom by 2. 2 over 2 has a value of 1, so it just changes how it looks. 1 times 2 is 2. Then you got to multiply both of these terms by this 2. 3 times 2 is 6, and then the 2's cancel, minus 1. So this gives you 2 over 5. So I'm going to put that over here. That's 1 over 3 minus 2 over 5. Okay, what makes this complex is the 5. The least common denominator for a 5 would be a 5. So repeat the process by multiplying everything by 5. 1 times 5 is 5. In the bottom, take this 5 times the 3 is 15. And here they cancel, and you're left with a 2. So your final answer is 5 over 13.